Welcome back to my channel, my crypto teacher. My name is Ida and I am your crypto teacher. Today, I am going to be showing you how to legitimately earn free crypto, okay? I bring you videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. If you haven't already, please go ahead and click on subscribe. But I need some help. I am trying to get to over 200 subscribers by the end of the month. I try to bring good information, trying to make sure I bring a lot of people along the way and help them become crypto millionaires. Please share this video with everyone that you know and have them become subscribers as well. Also, in order for you to turn on your notifications, you're going to have to download the YouTube app, okay? I bring you videos every Tuesday, every Thursday, and every Saturday. If you haven't already, please look at my series. I've given a lot of information about a lot of things and you can learn a lot. All right, let's go ahead and get started on how to legitimately earn free crypto. First, the 5 most common ways to earn free crypto is to earn it by locking up your crypto. That's one way. Number 2, you can stake your crypto. 3, airdrops. 4, Visa and Visa debit cards, and 5 are referral fees, okay? And I'm going to go through each one of these and share some important information for each of these. First, let's talk about Crypto Earn. Crypto Earn, you can do that with Crypto.com. They have a DeFi wallet and you also have a regular Crypto.com account. And basically with Crypto Earn, you're just agreeing to lock up your crypto for a certain period of time. Your crypto is not at risk. It is not at risk, but the important thing is you agree to lock it up. So that means that you understand for whatever period of time, you will not have access to that crypto. Now, for Crypto.com, one of their options is a flexible period. If you select flexible, you can get access to your crypto at any time, okay? Next, Coinbase, they have a learn and earn. What Coinbase does, they give you these neat little classes. They're short. It may take you 10, 20, 30 minutes to finish them. But once you finish them and take a little quiz, they give you free crypto. And they have a bunch of those. That's another way to get free crypto, okay? Every token adds up. Next, another blockchain is Celsius. Just go on their website and you can see what they offer. And another blockchain is BlockFi, and I do use BlockFi. They have some decent rates depending on which crypto you're trying to earn money on, but BlockFi is another option to use for Crypto Earn. Next, staking. First, let me explain to you all what staking is. Staking means you're allowing the network, the blockchain, to use your token to finalize and certify transactions on the blockchain. When you do staking, your money is not at risk. I repeat, is not at risk. If you own crypto and you are not staking, you are leaving money on the table. Now, the only thing that's important that you need to know about staking, you need to understand the lockup period or the unlock period. For example, when Shiba Inu, I owned a ton of that token. It ran way up. I was in the middle of staking my Shiba Inu and it wouldn't be unstaked for another 40 days. And I wanted to sell where there was nothing I can do, because once you stake it, you cannot touch the principal until that locking period is up. Another token I own is Zilliqua. I staked Zilliqua on the Atomic wallet, and one time it ran up, and it takes 14 days for your Zilliqua to unstake. So I learned the hard way. I couldn't sell it again. One of my favorite tokens, Cardano, ADA. I love Cardano. I am a Cardano girl. One of the things that I love about Cardano, there is no unstaking period. You can stake it and you can unstake it right away. I love that about Cardano, just genius. And so I love that token and I stake it in the Daedalus wallet. The Daedalus wallet is used only for Cardano or ADA, the token. You can also stake on Coinbase, a few of their tokens, but the biggest thing is with staking, make sure you have a plan. If you know you're going to need to want to sell your tokens anytime soon or get access to them, Make sure you're not stuck in the middle of staking. So now I stake more strategically. I may stake like half of mine, or it just depends on what's going on, but I strategically stake my tokens down, okay? That's staking, and you can make a ton of money. It's like dividends on steroids. If you own stock and you earn dividends, this is dividends on steroids. You are leaving free money on the table if you're not staking. Another thing too, I have a tendency to buy tokens that I can stake. If I can't stake that token, I really don't buy much of it. I just don't, because staking is a way for you to exponentially gain your money, especially when the market is flat and not moving. You're just earning free tokens. All right. Next, airdrops. Airdrops can be fantastic. The thing to remember about airdrops, don't get scammed. You never give out your seed phrase or your private key address. They don't need that. If you're going to get an airdrop from a developer or a blockchain, they only need your public address, and they will send the crypto to you. You don't have to send them anything. You don't have to send them anything. If you qualify for the airdrop, the tokens will be airdropped directly into your wallet, okay? But that's another way. And the criteria ranges. It just varies. But a lot of different blockchains do airdrops, especially for people who got in early, and if you were like an early supporter, and that's their way of rewarding you, okay? All right, next. Let's talk about the different cards from the different companies. First, I have Crypto.com. Crypto.com they have a variety of cards, and I have the Jade cards. See, they're real and they're nice cards. So with Crypto.com, what they do is you have to almost secure your card first. So the first thing you have to do is buy X amount of Crow. Crow is the token for Crypto.com. So you have to buy a certain amount of Crow and you have to stake it. Once you stake it, Crypto.com gives you this fancy card. They come in all different colors, black, red. It just depends on your tier and your level. I get free Netflix every month. I get that back in cash back. Also, every time I use my Crypto.com card, I actually earned free Crow. So they give me like $1 amount back, and whatever the price is for Crow at that time is converted into Crow. I love it. I've earned a ton of free Crow. Plus, I still have it staked. I'm beyond the initial 6 months. You have to stake it for the first 6 months. I'm beyond 6 months. I just never unstaked it because it's worth getting the free Crow every week. Another one is Coinbase, and Coinbase has a Visa debit card. I just want y'all to see these because they are real. And with Coinbase, the thing that I love about it, they gave me a choice on which crypto I wanted for free. I had my choice of 4 different cryptos, and I chose AMP. AMP is what I chose. And every time I use my Coinbase Visa debit card, I earn free AMP. And what I do, my Coinbase account is connected to my debit card, so I keep money there, and I just use that and I make my purchases. Finally, this is BlockFi. BlockFi, this is not a debit card like my Coinbase and my Crypto.com. This is an actual credit card. And so if you've got pretty decent credit, they'll give you a credit card. There's no annual fee. And I get free Bitcoin. And that's what BlockFi does. You don't have a choice. I get free Bitcoin, and I've earned a lot of it. And I also hold some of my other crypto in that account, and I earned APY on that money as well, that crypto as well. So I love BlockFi. They're decent. The only thing about BlockFi, just so you all know, with your crypto, if you can't move your crypto out of there right away, it takes about a day or so, a day or two. And that was odd to me when I found out, because everywhere else you can move your crypto lickety split quick, but not with BlockFi. So just an FYI. So if you move your crypto into BlockFi, if you want to move it out for whatever reason, just know you'll wait a day or two. And lastly, are referral fees. Anytime you sign up for any account, you always get a referral code. So all of my referral codes are linked in the bottom in my description. Please, please, please use my referral code, because you get free crypto and so do I. Also, when you help a friend or a family member get set up with their account, since you now have a referral code, give them your referral code, so then you can help them get some free crypto, and then they can also help you get some some free crypto. So that's it. Those are 5 legitimate ways to earn free crypto. Don't fool around with the nonsense. Get your free crypto. Make sure if you are not, make sure you are staking or using crypto earn in crypto.com, because if you're not, you are leaving money on the table. And remember, we are all about getting to millionaire status. We are not leaving one red cent on the table. Just make sure that you plan strategically if you're going to stake or use crypto earn. That's all I have for you all today. Remember, I bring videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. My name is Ida. I'm your crypto teacher, and I am out.